Let's talk about example number 2 on great ways to improve the employee experience and why this matters in this day and age. I want you to meet Kim, and I want you to meet Kim's laptop, that bubbleless form that you're seeing in the background. What is that? Well, laptop batteries were never made to charge continuously. Indeed, if you've followed military thinking, they should be discharged a number of times and periodically. But with work from home, people have just sort of left their batteries plugged in. Especially for older laptops, batteries start to swell and the laptops start to split. Yet at the same time, laptops are hard to come by. Yet here we are with Kim. She's been staring at her laptop. That gap that was a little bit wide, was wide as a quarter, is now wide as a stack of dimes. This is not a good day to do this. How do we take care of this? And honestly, how big a problem is this? Well, in 2019, it was a $780 problem that happened every once in a while, and you'd replace a laptop every 4 years. 1, laptops are dying earlier. 2, it's harder to find them. Mid-2021, laptop prices have jumped substantially. But if you factor in the lead time, between difficulty to find laptops, difficulty to schedule it, difficulty because a freight ship got stuck in the Suez Canal, we are now at double the price that it was just 2 years ago. This is a tangible problem. Let's make this easy for her, though. How do we go and get this laptop replaced? Well, honestly, just think about that thing you saw in that picture. What exactly are you searching for in IT? My laptop is putting on weight. It's gotten fat. Can I put a belt on it? I don't know. You can call the IT help center. Look, the fact of the matter is, a lot of things that we were solving by hand, we are now solving in calls. IT help times are getting longer and longer. Maybe somebody in the end says, I need to see a picture of this thing. That's fine. How do I go do this? I can't just go show it to somebody, which I used to be able to do. This is now harder. And then finally, I have to go into Ariba to go order that new laptop. I have gone into Ariba and typed the word laptop in. There's 4 pages of things, mostly bags and screens. There were 5 laptops, 2 of which were not allowed to be ordered, but we're still in Ariba for some reason. That's the reality of what you get there. This has got to be made easier. So how do we go ahead and do that? Number 1, let's start by avoiding the problem. We know who's on an older laptop. We can go and grab that set of audiences and we can send out periodic notifications to say, hey, take your laptop for a walk. It's not just your new puppy that needs to get out for a little fresh air. Take the laptop with you, keep it on, and just wander around. Show it the rest of the house. It doesn't need to be on your kitchen table the whole time. These are ideas that we can go ahead and do. If in the end you didn't get there and you still have to go order that laptop, well, then make it easy. Get rid of that 5 screens of information, things that I don't necessarily know about, and just show me what laptops are available for me to order, and then let me order it. That is the experience we want to drive employees to. Allow them to focus their time on tasks, but when they have to be taken off that task, make it easy for them to get done what they need to get done.